What is up, guys? Thank you for tuning in again. In today's video, we're going to talk about selling cash secured put on Meta stock, and then my total portfolio update. Where do we stand now as of today, July 29th? And lastly, we'll discuss other stocks that I would consider selling cash secured puts on. So as you guys can see, currently Meta is at $465.71, breaking even today's gains. At one point, this Meta stock was at $473 today, but came back down, and I was selling cash secured put at $410, meaning I was willing to buy 100 shares of Meta at 410 stock price per share. Currently it is at 465, so it has to drop close to 15% in order to exercise my contract, meaning it has to drop close to more than $55 at current price, and to be able to get the value or the Meta stock 410. This is when I will have to buy 100 shares at 410 value. So long story short, I was able to sell a cash secured put. I was credited $3.30 per share, meaning $330 for 100 shares. So that went right in my bank account, not actually bank account, but in my brokerage account. I'll show you guys that. But this was my move. This week we have Meta's earning, and I have given a good buffer. I think 12 to 15% buffer to a stock like Meta is worth it. If you see at the current PE ratio and the cash flow that's coming in, this seems to be a really great opportunity. The current market cap is $1.1 trillion for Meta, and the PE ratio is just over 26.7. So it's about the same as all the other 500 or 499 companies. So that is why I think it's a good deal, considering Meta is not going anywhere. Of course, it's gonna have some bumps along the way, but this company is not going anywhere. This is the owner of WhatsApp. It is the owner of Instagram and Facebook. So all these companies basically are the child companies of Meta platform. So I'm willing to buy 100 shares at $410. Current price is $465, so a drop of $55 is okay with me. So moving on, as I told you guys, I am currently investing $110 every single day on SPY. Current portfolio value is $158,848, and today was pretty much flat, 0.05% change. And I have sold a a covered call on QQQ on Friday. Made $3 on $44,000. I made $3, but that's still money. It's better than no money, and it's better than going in credit and not having that money. So what I do with this is, every time I see that the stock is up 1% or close to 1%, I sell a covered call a day out, and close to 4% or 3% up. So for example, current price is 463. If it would have been a positive day and stock would have gained more than or close to 1%, I would have sold a covered call for the next day, expiring next day, meaning in one day, and around $20, which would be around to $480 something dollars, so something around here. And that is where I was saying, like, I was able to make $3 for those 100 shares. I'm okay to do that, and what I do with that is I reinvest that, buying more shares of QQQ, because that's pretty much free money that I have, and that is how I'm able to grow this portfolio day in and day out. Next thing is SPY. I wanted to share you guys how my SPY investment is doing. My average cost is $545.08, which is pretty much on par with what current price is. I'm gonna give this week a little cool off time on my investment. Last week I invested close to $3,000, apart from the $110 recurring investment every single day. And the reason was because the stock price went below my cost and average cost, which was 545. So it went down to 538, and I was able to grab $1,000 worth of share one time, and then another $1,000 of shares another time. So my average cost has gone down to 545. Usually I think it was 546 or $547. So long story short, I'm gonna do the daily cost averaging, and especially if the stock price goes below, as it is right now, below my average cost, then I'm gonna grab some more. So I'm gonna grab $330 worth of stock, which I just got selling a contract here. If you see this contract, which I got from Meta platform, $330. So this is what I'm gonna sell this. So yeah, that's the plan, and that's a portfolio outlook. I hope you guys will like this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.